Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh, look at my face. Oh, guess what? We're outside. Normally, I'm blind. Ooh. We're going outside to eat for lunch. Yay!
Was it a questionnaire?
What?
I'm not gonna break about the
Oh, dyan kami kakain, guys. Oh, I blocked the microphone. So there, we're gonna eat. I can fix that.
Oh yeah, get that trash truck.
There's we're done eating and now we're heading back home. So, and I'm blind. I'm blind. I'm blind. But yes. Woo! Yay! Oh my god.
If you fall down, I'm just gonna laugh.
If I fall down, you're just gonna laugh at me. You're mean. Oh yes, a little bit better. Oh, I know how to hold my camera though, honey. Like that.
Why are you zoomed in?
It's not. Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Dang. I'm still not getting used to my camera. But anyways, who cares? It doesn't matter zoom in or not.
It matters when you're focused all on your nose.
Focus on your nose. Like that? Ooh, I'm blind. Okay.
Look at him illegally turning.
I'm gonna catch that in the video. Look, honey, like Joe's car.
You done yet?
Yes.
I would like a hand.
Natutulog daw siya. Hey, dami before. Natutulog nung nakangiti. Ano yan? I'm gonna drop the camera though. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah. Okay, next stop, destination. We're going to a DollarTree to buy
Junk.
to buy a what?
Junk.
I'm gonna buy a calendar because at the Dollar Tree they're cheaper than at Walmart. Kind of Walmart is $5 for the small calendar. So I'm trying to be a cheap and get it in the dollar store. So nandito na kami guys. Ooh, I like the lightning here. So nice. What are you doing? Nandito na kami. Ang sama ng uban, utot ng utot kanina pa.
Want a bowl?
For what?
Hearing the ocean?
Oh my goodness! I can hear weird! Oh my god! Oh, you're different now!
Yeah. That's how sound works.
Yes, okay. Just walking around, we're waiting. Because there's like one person on the calendar also I can't like look yet. So we're just walking around. See what else we can get.
Phones ever?
May mga phone din pala dito.
Look at the butterba.
Phone cases.
Micro USB to Type-C adapter.
What's that?
to micro USB to Type-C. So
Oh.
the old connectors will work with our new phones.
Oh.
Like, they want $1, but I can give them like 5 for $1 on Amazon
Yeah.
with free shipping.
Books.
I don't remember where we got that.
Ito na guys yung kinuha namin.
It's one of the
Okay, she's gonna be leaving, so we're gonna wanna put them cones in front.
All right, sounds good.
So guys, pauwi na kami. We're heading home. Right now, right honey?
Yes.
We're heading home.
You got your puppies.
Show the puppies.
Puppies?
Oh, that's so cute. I got my calendar. That's why I want to go to a DollarTree to grab a calendar.
You got art. I didn't realize.
Oh, they stopped. I just from the speeding thingy, but it's shut off.
Oh, just wait. The car will come. Wait.
There's a car coming?
As soon as the car comes up that road, it'll start.
Oh, there you go, honey.
No, wait. Wait for a car. The car's not coming. It's not going to stay on. It's only going to barely detect the ones on the other side of the light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green. More green. There you go. Now a car should come up. There you go. You can record it now. It should stay on.
26. Hello everyone, I take a nap and I just wake up. It is 5 o'clock already p.m. It is 5 o'clock p.m. already. So I take a nap with makeup on. Oh my god, I'm terrible. Don't do it. Don't do what I did. But anyways, yeah. So nakalimutan ko isa. Ito lang yung sinadya ko sa DollarTree kanina, yung calendar, kasi medyo namahamahalan ako sa Walmart kasi $5 something yung calendar. Kaya so I decided to buy it at the dollar store. It's cheaper. I'm trying to be cheap nuts. And then this one, the silver one. Yan. Bala ko siyang patungan ng mga makeup brushes, ganyan. Tapos kanina, when I checked the mail outside, and I got this one. Yay! Nandito na yung January Paxi Charm 2019. So that's gonna be a separate video. So I'm gonna unbox it maybe tomorrow because I'm still off tomorrow. And 2-pack pala guys yung yung calendar. Isang maliit. Oh, so cute. Saka isang malaki. Yan. I like having calendar because normally I did write down all the things what I did every day, like like I like writing it down on my calendar, so I keep tracking everything that like I don't want to forget. So yeah, I got 2 packs. It's a puppy, smaller and then bigger one. Tingnan natin yung January kung maganda ba siya. Ooh, ang cute ng January. Yan siya. But anyways, that's it. And I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.